The StartX Remote Starter Kit offers a seamless solution to start your Ford Escape remotely, allowing you to warm up your vehicle during chilly mornings without leaving the comfort of your home. This kit features a unique T-harness that simplifies installation, eliminating the need for wire splicing or cutting and ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Utilizing your vehicle's existing remote, you can initiate the start by simply pressing the lock button 3 times, making the process intuitive and straightforward. The remote starter is compatible with Ford Escape models from 2008 to 2019, provided they are non-hybrid and use a key blade to start the engine. Installation is straightforward, requiring only minor disassembly of the steering column shroud and does not necessitate any additional computer or updater tools. Designed and manufactured in North America, this kit is backed by StartX's excellent customer support, ensuring you receive assistance from knowledgeable agents based in the USA.